I'm expecting the price to go lower. Why I'm expecting the price to go lower? Because I have a crystal ball and I can see the future? No, because I know how to project the price based on liquidity, based on the market trends, and based on what is going on right now. So in resume, I'm expecting the price to go this lower, potentially to hit the prices of $2, $1.8, and $1.6. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. From Spain, a beautiful sunny day right now, and I'm going to be straight to the point. I'm not going to lie to you, and I'm going to tell you anything that other YouTubers have told you already, because it's just smoke. This is not smoke. This is real. I'm going to be sharing with you what the potential price of XRP is going to do. Just analyzing the graphics. So going straight to the point, guys, here we go. Right now, we just broke this big structure right now, and we have been in a downtrend for a while now. When the other YouTubers told you that we were going to the moon, the price rejected the trend line as always. I know you should be tired of that, of all the people telling you we're going to the moon, and then the prices start to go lower. There is a reason why the price has been going down lately, and there is a reason why the price is going to be going up sooner than you think, and I'm going to tell you why. So right now, this is just the 1-day chart, the 1-day time frame, and we're going to be taking as well the 4 hours chart time frame. But I'm going to be digging into the 1 hour charts, the 30 minutes charts. This is not a daily trading video. This is more to see what the price is going to be doing to project it in the next days. How do I know that? By liquidity, by the price movements, the price action it has been having right now because of the market trend, basically. So guys, not going to make you lose more time. Look at this. This is beautiful. We have been respecting the trend line for a while now. It wasn't going to be different. I've been shorting the market for the last days. I've been getting revenue and money just shorting the market using short leverage in futures. But this is not what I'm going to be telling you to do. This is not financial advice. First and principle, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a crypto investor for a while now, and I've been making money. This is how I managed to lose my 9-to-5 job. I'm not telling you to resign after you watch this video, but you probably are going to want to resign if you don't like your job, which was my case. So the price right now is just hitting the targets of $2.18. As you can see, these lines, these green lines, these are my price targets where I'm going to be buying. Okay, right now the price just hit my first target to enter in a long position with 25% of the money I have to trade. For example, based on the 100% I have just made, the different entries on 2.2, this was my first entry, this was 25% of my entry. Another 25% is going to be whenever the price hits the $2 target right here. If it keeps going down, I have another price target to get in with another 25% of the portfolio I'm using to trade. Is going to be in 1.8, and then I'm going to be buying in 1.6. Why this price targets? I'm going to be explaining you why. I'm going to be showing you where did I get these numbers and how I'm so sure that the price might be getting these zone levels. First, guys, this is beautiful, and this is what I want you to see. How many times since December 2024, how many times we have hit this level prices here? We have hit these target levels for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is going to be the 8th time the price keeps seeking the same levels. What are these? Potential opportunities for you to make money. This is how we've been making money. This is not smoke. This is true. This is the actual chart from XRP today, Friday. Okay? So how much money have I earned trading this? Well, the price just hit my first target here when just decided to go down. Of course, I never made my entry here because I didn't know if it was going to be lower. But in the second one, I made a lot of money. In fact, it hit me 2 price targets. Um, my price entry was based on these 2 entries. So it was approximately, I can remember exactly because this was in December from last year, but I made like 20%, guys. 20%. Really easy, I made it. And I was using leverage with 5x. So you can imagine I made 100% of my investment just in one single movement. In one single movement. Okay? This, of course, was a short, but then in a long, I made 100% of my investment as well. I made 100% here as well, and so on. So what I want you to show you here is that you have many entries to make money, and we're going to have many entries here. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a crypto investor. I'm a trader. Um, and someone that just makes money and wants to motivate other people to do the same as me. Do you want to leave your job? This is the way you do it. Not buying that crypto that this influencer told you to buy, this new meme coin that is going to make you a millionaire. That is not going to happen, guys. And if it happens, it's because you're lucky. But I prefer if I would be completely honest with you. This is why you're in this channel, because I'm going to be honest, first and principle. If you want to do that, why don't you better go to a casino and just bet your money there? Because it's the same that you're doing buying meme coins that probably are going to be rug pulls that might be stealing your money. That's not the way to make money in the crypto space. I recommend you to read. I recommend you to start to read the charts to see what is going on here, because I figured it out by my own. Nobody told me that it's not so difficult to figure it out by your own either. Okay, you have many potential opportunities here to make money, and this I'm right now analyzing XRP. Not because I'm married with XRP, just because this is the coin that I'm trading right now. This is the coin that I've been trading for a while because it has strong volume. It is a solid coin that has been here for a long time, and I know that it's going to be for a long time in the crypto space. It's a solid project. Nobody's going to steal your money. So that's why my money is here. That's why investing, selling, buying, and selling, and making money pretty much. So what is happening with the price? Let's go for what matters right now. Okay, straight to the point. What happens with the price? Well, we can see that the price is touching right now the level of $2.01 and 17 cents. My first entry was in $2.20. It's beyond that. It's not beyond. It's lower than that. So I'm expecting to hit my second entry, which is going to be on 2 cents. But right now, let's not let get ahead of the future. Let's just stop with the hype right now. It's just that I'm really excited to share this with you guys, but I'm expecting the price to go lower. Why I'm expecting the price to go lower? Because I have a crystal ball and I can see the future? No, because I know how to project the price based on liquidity, based on the market trends, and based on what is going on right now. So in resume, I'm expecting the price to go this lower, potentially to hit the prices of $2, $1.8, and $1.6. But you would be asking yourself, how this guy that I barely see in YouTube, how this guy knows what is going to happen and what is happening right now in the charts? Well, I have a solid basis about why I think the prices are going to hit this target. Even though I'm going to show you data, real data about the liquidity in the market, so you can do the same, you can do it even not watching any liquidity levels, anything else. Just you reading the charts, you can figure it out that the price might be repeating the same patterns over and over again. Why? Because the price just likes to repeat the same patterns? No, because these are levels where the price has had negotiations levels. Let's put it like this. These are negotiation levels where the market or the people have made buy orders and selling orders. That's pretty much it. So if you see, the resistance is made of buying orders with selling orders as well. But of course, if it is a resistance, it's because there are more buying orders than selling orders. Sorry, I made it wrong. The resistance is when there are more selling orders than buying orders, and the supports are where there are more buying orders, there are selling orders. So right now we just hit the resistance in the trend level. We hit it approximately 4 days ago. We started to go on a downtrend on the downside, and we are potentially might be seeking for the level of liquidity of $2 and probably lower. That's the resistance levels that we can see in the 1 day time frames. So I wanted to show you I wanted to show you like more proofs about this. You can have this for free, CoinGlass. It's a website that I always share. You can use it by your own benefit if you want to see the liquidations levels. As you can see, there is still 3 billions to be liquidated, 5 billions to be liquidated on the 1.6, 6 billion to be liquidated on 1.64, 6 billion of dollars to be liquidated on $1.84 for XRP. Okay, this is for XRP. So the data is just showing you what is going on right now. So don't panic, guys. I don't want you to listen to other YouTubers that are telling you that we're going to zero or that we're going to explode. No, that's not true. We're not going to zero or we're not going to explode to the moon yet. What is real is that the price is going down right now, and we potentially might be looking for these prices. What is this? The price is in a downtrend, right? What this means for you. These are potential entries for you to make money. This is not financial advice, but if I was you, I would be buying. Okay, maybe if you want to be safer, whenever the price hits 2, I might be just putting a small percentage of what you are planning to invest. Okay, that's what I would be doing, and that's what I'm doing right now. That's why I have these targets. Let's go for the 4-hour charts right now. You can see what the price is doing in a bit more of detail. Okay, so like I said, we touched this trend level. We have been respecting this trend level this trend line, since January. We have been just respecting it. We haven't been in $3 since a long time now. Okay. And if you had to analyze this, you could find many entry levels. I think the price is going to be even lower. You're going to remember me when this happens. What are the potential outcomes of this? Well, the potential outcomes, the potential projections that is going to happen. I'm expecting the price to have an increase at some stage. So we potentially might be reaching a rejection, and we might be seeking to hit the trend line again and to make a 9%, for example. Why I know that? Because, guys, look at the trend line. It's really easy. Look at the trend line. This indicator here I have is the volume on the price. It's not the volume on history, on time. It's the volume on the price. And it's telling me that right now we might be facing the huge rejection here, because here is the strongest level of negotiation with the price. So this works as a magnet for the price. We might be potentially seeking it, but we might be potentially looking for more strength for the price, even lower. I want you to see the price as a big monster that needs food to eat. What this monster in the graphic eats? Liquidity, money. That's what it looks for. Selling orders, buying orders. That's how the price moves, okay? The selling orders and the buy orders that were made by humans. So this is what I want you to understand. What are my projections? Well, we potentially might be facing a rejection soon and might be hitting this target on the 2M42, potentially 2M40, 2M35. We have to see. If not, we might be just be liquidating everyone, just going even lower and going to 1.9, $2 potentially, and 1.8. Because I saw the liquidation levels. I know there is a huge money that needs to be sicked by the price before we go up. Okay, but in the short term, I think this is going to happen sooner than you think. I think the price might be going even lower. We might be hitting the $2 target, the 1.8 targets during the weekend. That's what I think. I think tomorrow or Sunday we might be seeing the price to go even lower. when the price, what I'm expecting to the price to go even higher than this, that's something I cannot answer to you. Everyone is bullish about XRP right now. That's the truth. There are so many good news right now, not only about XRP, about so many coins right now, about Bitcoin, about Cardano, about many coins. We're bullish about the crypto space right now because we have been having so much adoption about many countries. We have many rumors. I mean, there's no FOMO right now, but the complete opposite. So I'm bullish. But instead of being bullish and just believing in that the price is going to boom in a sudden, I like to read the charts. I like to see what is going on. And most of all, I like to make money whilst we are in a zone of accumulation. This is the best time for you to make money. How much I'm expecting to earn? Well, I'm going to show you. Imagine that the price, I just hit my first, not imagine, that is a fact. The price just hit my first target in $2.20. $2.20. My second target is in 2. Imagine that it doesn't go lower. It absorbs enough liquidity and enough strength to be rejected and to try to seek for the liquidity on the upside. Well, that would be my entry levels. Average entry levels will be lagging 2.10 because I had 2 entries. Remember, $2.20, and I have another entry potentially in 2 cents. So if my entry was here, just by example, and we hit this trend line before we keep going down, I might be doing 10%. I'm using 5x leverage. So imagine 50% by one single movement. That's crazy. And if it's going lower, I'm going to have a better entry level. So I'm going to have more percentage. I'm going to have more gains. Now imagine if it breaks the trend line, and we go up to seek the liquidations on the upside. Well, I'm going to show you how much we can do. Look at this. Look how much we have in this huge resistance we have here on $3. We have 8 billion that the price might potentially be seeking. Let's put it a bit downtrend. Let's put just $3. Imagine, remember, I make this entry. I have my average entry here. I might be doing a 41% from my first investment. And that's before, and that's if the price doesn't keep going up. Because if the price gets a huge rejection here and it starts to consolidate a structure, a bearish structure here, so we can start to seek for liquidity down, and another trend starts to form, another bearish trend, I'm going to be making money because I'm going to be short in the market, and I'm going to potentially might be doing 40% or even more. So guys, this is a gold mine. That's what I want you to understand. This is how you leave your job 9 to 5. You don't leave your job 9 to 5 investing in cryptocurrencies that some YouTuber just told you, this new meme coin that is going just to blow up the complete crypto space. That's not how you make money. You make money trading. And if you like day trading, amazing. I might be doing day trading at some stage. If there aren't any waves, of course, because I'm making this video because I'm not surfing. When I'm surfing, I'm not making videos. I'm compromising myself to make a daily upload, by the way. I'm not working right now, so I'm just dedicating myself to YouTube and to trade. But this is what I want you to understand. Don't panic, okay? Right now, you should be buying, not all at once. If you have, for example, if you're investing with $200, just an example, this is not financial advice, but what I would do if I had whatever you have, but let's say that you have $200 right now and you want to invest, do it by percentage, okay? Do it like what I'm doing. Right now, you can just put 25% of those $200, which would be $50. Would be your first entry. Then you have to calculate your second entry. I would put it in $2, another $50. If it keeps going down, no problem. You put another $50 in 1.8. It keeps going down, no problem. You put another one in 1.6. But right now, it won't keep going down because we have a huge resistance here that we have tested several times. This is going to be the 8th time that we are going to test these levels. Remember, traders, just trade between supports and resistance. That's what I'm doing. That's what you have to do as well, not to be panicking. But you can do it in a spot without any leverage, so you're not risking yourself to be liquidated by the market. I'm not doing that. I'm using futures and I'm using leverage so I can multiply my money way more quicker. But this is what I'm projecting the price to be. Remember, this weekend we might potentially be hitting 1.8 or 1.6 or potentially $2 between those price ranges. And after that, we might be just having a reversal and we might be seeking an uptrend, an upside to until 2.40 cents or even higher. I think it's going to be higher. I think we have been for a long time during these levels. We might be breaking these tendencies and just look for the $3 levels before we potentially be rejected or before we start to get new highs. And that is uncharted. That's a territory we have never been before. So I think it's going to be an amazing trajectory of the price, and I really hope this is going to $100. I don't know. It has the potential to go that high, but I don't really know. I'm not going to tell you it is going that high. Nobody knows it. Not even the most experienced traders out there knows what is going to happen. So what I can tell you is what my eyes are watching right now. And I hope you can learn how to read the charts because it's not so difficult as some people tell you it is. If you want to make daily trading, if you want to trade in 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. If you want to do a scalping, well, man, that's up to you. I'm just doing swing trading right now. Sometimes I do a scalping when I see the volume is great, when I see the market structure is solid, whenever I see that the price is moving very well and there is no so much manipulation, I do it. But right now I'm just getting out of the charts because things are getting wild and I'm just doing swing trading. You can do it as well. Remember the price levels I told you? I hope you close your laptop, you go to share time with your family. That's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to seek some waves around Spain. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next time. See you tomorrow on the same analysis. Goodbye.